on the Gx200, 6.5 horsepower on the W154 Rs99 reduction gearbox, so the pump is only running at 1450 RPM. Flow sensitive unloader and primer frost valve, don't leave one without them. Stainless steel going into it, brass wire strain tub filter at this side here, on there, but also wire strain filter there, so if that filter gets damaged at any stage, you've got secondary precautionary backup to protect the system itself. The pump itself, machine delivering 14 litre 150 bar. Like I say, it's stainless steel on the inlet side there, so you're not going to get a reduction of corrosion build up inside there and start restricting the flow. Oil level on this new type pump, bung at the back of the pump and bung underneath there for the reduction gearbox. Very simple and easy to change. You've then got this oil here on this grey dipstick, always make sure that is full to the top. You've got the oil level switch on the engine, so if you run or you're sat on a slope of any sort, the machine itself might not start. Always try and make sure that you're always level. Like I said, don't leave home. Primer frost valve. When you finish off, that machine stopped, that valve is open in this position. Once it's primed up and running, close it off and off you go. Hold it back up every time you stop. It's going to protect that pull cord, it's going to protect the whole system. Prime and frost, that's why we call it prime and frost, because it's also then protecting the system as well. The engine is normal, you've got your choke. When you're first starting on there, the best thing to do is put the choke on, engine on full revs, you'll do no harm on this system. Obviously make sure the bottom one is on fuel, which is on the other way, so push that over into that position, choke on, you'll hear the engine chug 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 chug. Once it's chug chug chugging, knock the choke off, the engine will continue running. You can then turn the engine revs down, yeah, so it's priming itself up very slowly. Quick release dump and quick release inlet on this. Dump returns, you can leave this machine running all day long, you'll never do any harm. Flow sensitive unloader is going to protect the machine itself. You're not going to have one of these systems where you let go of the gun, you've got 150 bar, when you let go you've got 200 bar. On this system, let go of the gun, you've zero pressure in that high pressure hose, so it's protected. Doesn't matter if your gun starts to leak, the pump is protected. You can leave it running all day long, the machine's not going to start going zip zip zip. You don't have to walk over to the gun every time you disconnect the high pressure hose. Zero pressure in there, which I've just said, and also the high pressure hose is also last longer. This is why we use the flow sensitive unloader compared to the others in the marketplace. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.